This is a demonstration of an automation system which is designed to extract critical information from documents and email content efficiently. So now let's start with the invoice PDF. So here we identify the claimant and the address, so which will be extracted. So next we move on to the statement PDF. So in this document, the system extracts the property address, the invoice amount, and the invoice date. So now let's look at the leasehold PDF. So under the B proprietorship section, the defendant name and their service address are identified and extracted. So moving on to the short particular section. So here the system captures details about the parties involved and the date. So finally, under the charges registry system, identifies the lender, in this case, the National Westminster Bank, and its associated address will be extracted. So lastly, we have the freehold document. So here, under the B proprietorship section, the system extracts the landlord's name and the landlord's address. This automation system also includes an email listener which scans the email for every 5 minutes automatically for extracting key information. So let's look at a sample email. So here, Robin is the person acting, town and city is the referrer, and this is the referrer's address. So this sample email will be sent to the designated email address for further action. The first part of the automation system is the email listener. So it connects with the inbox and monitors any incoming emails and process any new unseen emails. So now it is connected to the email server. So here it fetches the subject, sender, and the content. So here we can see a new folder called email attachment is created. So here all the inline images, documents, and the log content is recorded. So this is the extracted email content. So once the email listener saves the file, the system moves to the second stage, which is document processing, which uses OpenAI Llama Index, and the prompts are tailored for each document type. So here the supported documents are freehold, leasehold, statement, invoices, and the extracted email content. So now I have to upload all the files. So now all the files are uploaded and now it is being processed. So finally, the extracted details are compiled into an Excel sheet which ensures structured data for easy review. This is the extracted result file. So where we can see all the specific fields which is extracted from each supported documents, including statements, leasehold, freehold, invoice, and the email content. So let's focus on the statement document columns. So here the invoice amount is 2974.65. And here in the statement document, we can verify this value matches perfectly. So the next extracted invoice date is 6/11/2024, and upon verification in the statement document, we can confirm that the extracted date is accurate. So finally, the extracted property address is 1 New Hall Park Drive, Bradford, BD58BR. So which we can also validate against the statement document to ensure that the extracted result is correct. Now let's move on to the leasehold document. So here the extracted date under short particulars is 19th November 2013, and upon verification in the leasehold document the value is correct. So now the extracted definite name is Aisha Ahmed, and upon checking in the leasehold document this is also correct. The extracted lender name is National Westminster Bank PLC, and after verification this matches with the leasehold document. Now the extracted lender address is Mortgage Center, and upon checking the value is correct as well. Now the extracted parties are Taylor Wimpey UK Limited, Aisha Ahmed, and Town City Limited. Now the verification against the leasehold document confirms the detail is correct. Now the extracted service address is 1 New Hall Park Drive, and after verification this detail is also correct. Now let's look at the freehold document. So here the extracted landlord address is Berkeley House, 304 Regents Park Road. Landlord name is Fairhold Leda Limited, and upon checking with the freehold document the value is accurate. Now let's review the invoice document. So here the extracted claimant is Fairhold Leda Limited, and the extracted claimant address is Berkeley House, 304 Regents, and upon checking these details in the invoice document the values are correct. Finally, let's review the email content. So here the extracted person acting is Robin. So by cross checking with the extracted email content we can verify that the result is correct. So now the extracted referrer is Town and City Management Limited, and the referrer address is 9 Pioneer Court, and by verifying with the email content we can assure that the results are accurate.